In today's video, I will walk you through how to add animated text templates in CapCut PC like a pro. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to edit. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can visit the official CapCut website and download the PC version. Animated text templates are useful because they already include built-in animations, transitions, and creative styles, which helps make videos look more polished without needing advanced editing experience. Once your project is open, head over to the text section inside CapCut. From there, click on Text Template. This area contains a large collection of pre-designed animated text styles that you can add directly into your timeline. You will notice different categories and styles available depending on the type of content you are creating. You can scroll through the templates to preview how they look and how the animations move before adding one to your project. If you are searching for a specific style, use the search box to find templates faster. For example, you can search for cinematic, vlog, gaming, subtitle, neon, minimal, or social media style templates, depending on the type of video you are editing. Once you find a template you like, select it and apply it to your timeline. After the template has been added, move over to the basic settings section so you can customize the text. Here you can replace the default wording with your own text and adjust things like the font size, text style, and overall appearance. Depending on the template you choose, some animations and effects may automatically update while you edit the text. One thing to keep in mind is that readable text usually works better than overly complicated designs. Clean animations often help keep the viewer focused on the message while still making the video look more professional. You can also preview the animation a few times to make sure the timing and movement fit naturally with your video pacing. And that is how you add animated text templates in CapCut PC to create more polished and visually engaging videos.